Okay, hi guys. So today we will be unboxing this Lotus drill. It's an affordable Lotus drill that I bought from Lazada. So let's go ahead and check what's included in this package. Alright, and of course it has a fragile sticker for the product's safety there. This Lotus impact drill has a net weight of 2.2 kilograms. Quite heavy for its size, but it looks durable. Okay, so the circle button right here is the switch lock button, and this is the on and off trigger. The one with the arrow button is the key storage tab. This one is the key storage tab. Okay, so on top of it is the selector knob. Okay guys, so it's a 650 watts drill, and for most basic home DIY jobs, this 650 watts is good enough. It includes a manual that provides instructions or guidelines on how to use the drill. So it also comes with the auxiliary handle to make it easier to balance, manage, and control. So that's the purpose of this auxiliary handle. Also includes depth gauge. Unfortunately, it doesn't include a drill bit, so I won't be able to test it. I'd probably order online, but yeah, just pure unboxing for this item for today. Thank you for watching my unboxing, guys, and I'll try to upload a review about the product once I was able to test it. Thanks again for watching.